In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode in Gemini. If your screen looks a little too moody and you want a brighter, cleaner interface, this quick walkthrough will get you back to light mode in just a moment. Start by opening your browser and going to gemini.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Once you're in, you should see the Gemini home or chat interface. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you're using the one you want, because appearance settings are tied to the active account you're using. Next, look toward the top right area of the page for the settings or profile controls. This is usually a small gear icon, or it might be your profile picture. Click the gear if you see it. If you only see your profile photo, click that to reveal a menu that includes settings. Different layouts may place these controls slightly differently, but they're almost always up in that top bar. Inside Settings, find the option labeled Appearance or Theme. This is where Gemini lets you choose how the interface looks. Click Appearance or Theme to open the choices. You'll typically see options for light, dark, and sometimes system. To turn off dark mode completely, select Light. As soon as you choose Light, the interface should switch to a brighter background and light-colored panels, which is a good visual confirmation that the change worked. If you prefer to keep things consistent with your device, you can choose System instead. Just remember, System will follow your computer or phone's overall theme. That means if your device is set to dark, Gemini will appear dark. If your device is set to light, Gemini will appear light. On Windows, the system theme is controlled in Settings under Personalization, then Colors, where you can choose light. On Mac OS, you'll find it in System Settings under Appearance, where you can pick light. If you're on a mobile device or using a browser that syncs theme settings, make sure your device theme is set to light for the system option to display Gemini in light mode. Once you've selected light, you're done. Take a quick glance at the interface elements, background, side panels, and menus to confirm everything looks bright and easy to read. And that's it. You've successfully turned off dark mode in Gemini and switched to a lighter, more comfortable appearance.